Okay, so the mimic we're going to be using for this particular exercise is the Lighthouse mimic, and it's the first one that actually gives us the option to have an input into the system. The input in this particular example, and we can show it here, is the sun, and the sun will either be on or off. It sounds a bit strange, but the sun being on or off, but that's what it is in this example. So it's either daytime or nighttime. And depending on whether it's daytime or nighttime, you would need to turn on or off certain functions of the lighthouse. Obviously, the lamp is the biggest one that we need to concern ourselves about, but there are options for turning on the lights inside and maybe sounding the foghorn at a regular interval. So we can start putting some loops and some timing into the program that we create. So if I just turn the sun on and off here by clicking it, you can see it's turning itself on and off, and the lamp will turn on and off. The foghorn actually makes a sound. You can't hear it, but it does. And the lights are the internal lights of the lighthouse. Okay. As we should remember now, every program in Flowwhile needs to start with a start-stop subroutine. So we'll have the start running there. And the first thing we need to do is ask the question, is the sun out or not? Okay, so I'm going to drag the decision symbol on. Try and keep it nice and neat and equally spaced, but it just makes it a bit nicer. And I click the sun down here, and then my options are on or off. Some more complex mimics have different options available, but that you'll see as you go through the other mimics what's available to you. But this one is just the basic on-off situation. So I need to ask the question, is the sun on or not? So, is the sun on? Okay. And there's going to be two outcomes to this. One, it is, and one, it isn't. So if it is, I need to change the output of the lighthouse because I need to have the lights, the main lamp, turning on. And you can have various different routines running with the same question. So for this particular one, I'm just going to turn the main lamp on. That doesn't make sense. I'm just checking to see if you're paying attention. If the sun is on, it's daytime, I would need to turn the lamp off. Okay. If it's not, in other words, it's night time, we need to turn the lamp on. Okay, so it's just thinking of the logic of what you're creating. And just to link it through by creating the links between the things, the symbols, start, will run into is the sun on? And then is the sun on? When I click this one, we get this extra yes, no pop-up, and I've got to choose the right way. So if the sun is on, yes, I then need to turn the lamp off. If the sun is on, no, and you can see it puts the labels as to which direction it's choosing on the screen there. Now we could have the program ending using a start-stop, but we need to just loop this round because we need it constantly checking to see whether the sun is on or not. And so we just need to make sure that we've got the loops going back to the question over and over again. And if I play this down the bottom, at the moment the sun is not on, and is that working? The lamp is on. It's night time. Turn the sun on. It's daytime. The lamp goes off. Fairly straightforward. First video done. That's so hard. Okay.